Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into VEED, edit videos with online tools step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser on your computer or device. In the search bar, type VEED.io and press enter. Wait for the VEED website to load completely. Once the page loads, look for the login button typically located in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login screen. You will now see two options for logging in: email and social media. If you have an account, enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, type in your password in the corresponding password field. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your account. If you are logging in through social media, select your preferred platform. Follow the prompts to authorize VEED to access your account information. Once logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard. From the dashboard, you can start editing videos with VEED's online tools. Explore the various features available, including cutting, trimming, and adding text or effects. Now, you are ready to enhance your video projects using VEED. Enjoy creating and editing your videos efficiently online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.